In today's video, I'll be showing you the fastest and easiest way to set up your own AWS Lambda function. So to begin, go ahead and create your own free AWS account. Once you've successfully completed your account creation process, go ahead and go to the home page and you should see a screen very similar to this. And now we can go ahead and just go to the search bar and type in Lambda. And go ahead and click on the Lambda service once you see it. And on this page, you will see all the existing Lambda services you have. If you have a new account, you won't see any, but for example, you can see all the ones I've created so far. But go ahead and just click this button in the top right that says create function. And on this page, you'll see various customization options for your AWS Lambda, such as like function name, runtime, and architecture. But go ahead and just type in a function name for your AWS Lambda. It can be whatever you want. So in this example, I'll just do like tutorial 8. And then for the runtime, go ahead and choose a programming language that you want the Lambda to be in. And then for the architecture, go ahead and just leave that as a default value. And once you're done selecting all those options, go ahead and just click create function. And once the page is done loading, you should see a screen very similar to this, and you should see a message at the top of the screen letting you know that the Lambda was successfully created. And here at the bottom of the screen, this is the code that was given to me by default, and this would just return a basic hello from Lambda message once we access it. And there are various ways to access this Lambda, but the most straightforward and easiest way is by accessing it via HTTP Endpoint. And what I mean by that is once the user types in the specific URL that we generated, we'll see this message that says hello from Lambda. And to begin that process, go ahead and just go over to the left-hand side of the screen where it says Add Trigger, and then select API Gateway, and then go ahead and just click on Create an API. And here, select REST API. And then for the security, right now we're just going to make it open so anyone can access it. In the future, you might want to configure these settings if you want to make it more secure. But for the sake of this example, I'll just do Open, and then click on Add. And once the page has successfully loaded, you should see a screen very similar to this. At the top of the page, you see a success message letting you know everything went successfully. And then down here at the API endpoint, you should see a randomly generated URL. And now if we click on this endpoint and wait for it to load, you'll see the message that was part of our AWS Lambda code. And those are all the steps to creating your own AWS Lambda function and accessing it via HTTP endpoint. And if you run into any errors or see any error messages, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you found this video helpful in any way, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.